Lema ko to, boy. Kaya, ma'am. Okay po, look here. 1, 2. Kaya po, naka-guide first po ganyan. Guide. Ikaw mo, Mike, pag okay. Okay po, good. 1, 2. Thank you.
Hi, Mayor. Mayor, your thoughts on being the recipient of 7-Eleven Christmas event for us?
Well, una, maraming salamat sa Phil7 Foundation for doing such things, ang bagay ito sa mga recipient, especially nowadays that we know for a fact that talagang maraming nililala ang mga bayan natin. And pangalawa, maraming salamat sa mga sponsor na nag-participate doon sa programa ng Phil7. Sa lahat ng sponsor, rest assured that itong mga goods na binigay ninyo ay makakarating sa talagang nangangalan. And I hope mabasa kayo ng ulan. Dumami pa kayo. So thank you very much on behalf of the people of Manila and the city government. Maraming salamat sa inyong mabubuting kaloob. Diyos na lamang magbalik sa inyo.
Welcome po ba kapag dito pag ready na po na hindi na virtual run yung totoong run na welcome po ba sa Manila?
Yes. All other activities, especially the Phil7 Foundation, is welcome to the city of Manila. In fact, we welcome anybody in the city of Manila. Lalo na in the better days. Hopefully, sabi nga, after the rain, there is a rainbow, and hoping that come 2021, there are better days to come para sa ating lahat, sa ating bansa, sa ating syudad, at sa buong mundo. Lalo na ngayong mga napapabalita na may mga bakuna ng epektibo na nakapagbibigay ng katiyakan, ligtas katiyakan sa ating mga mamamayan. And we will acquire such thing if that is available already, because the city of Manila as a city government is ready to acquire the vaccine. We're just awaiting for the agencies of government to accredit and secure the efficacy and safety of our people with regard to the vaccine.
Mayor, can I ask about New Year?
Oh yeah.
Ano pong allowed in Manila? Kasi di ba po kada city yung may ordinance kung anong ipatutupad. Ano pong allowed sa Manila, anong hindi allowed?
Basta tayo, hanggat maaari, nakikisuyo tayo, continue let us celebrate New Year with open arms. Welcome the New Year. But bear in mind that there is still danger brought to us by COVID-19 virus. So, ang panawagan ko, manatili sa atin ang kusang disiplina by following simple medical health protocols. Wear your mask. Kung kaya ninyo, wear face shield, wash your hands, if possible with alcohol, and practice physical distancing. Iwasan natin yung mga party-party, mga higit sa lahat, nananawagan ako. Huwag na kayong bumili ng paputok. Itabi nyo na lang yung pera ninyo, isubi ninyo, at ihanda natin ang ating sarili sa 2021 dahil mahaba pa ang laban. There are uncertainties yet to come in 2020. So we have to brace ourselves, economically speaking, to every family. So hanggat makatipid kayo, tipirin ninyo. Kaya huwag nyo nang gastusin sa pulmos yung pera ninyo. Will may bring you danger sa bawat isa. Sayang ang pera. Wala namang masamang gumamit tayo ng ibang bagay para mag-ingay to celebrate. But we can be responsible in this pandemic time, celebrating New Year. So, kailangan pa rin natin magtulungan. Mamamayan, nagpupusang disiplina, pamahalaan, eficiente maglilingkod. So, we have to work hand in hand para naman sa ganon, huwag mapariwara yung 10 buwan na nating paghihirap. Ilang buwan na lang ang kakaharapin natin at darating na rin naman ang pag-asa na para sa kapanatagan ng damdamin ng bawat isang Manila.
So, Mayor, just to clarify, ano pong ban po ba ang firecrackers sa inyo?
Bawal. As much as possible, ayaw namin yun. At hinihikayat namin ng mga ngayon, huwag naman kayo magtitinda at mamumuhunan dahil wala po kami binigay na permiso, business permit for you to sell mga firecrackers.
All kinds of,
Kukumpiskahin lang yan.
all kinds of firecrackers.
Kukumpiskahin lang yan ng sila ng mga. Sayang lang. Save your money. Keep it to yourself. Spend it wisely. Prepare ourselves for 2021.
Mayor, paano yung mga magpapaputok pa rin?
Talagang hanggat maaari. Huwag sana. But we already given Manila Police District Director General Francisco Directive sawayin itong mga nagpapaputok. For 2 things. Yung physical danger problem caused by paputok. At of course, yung health issue about the COVID-19.
Mayor, may pinangangambahan nga tayong new strain, new strain of the COVID. Ano pong plano ng Manila? Like additional health protocols na kayo para
We will continue to follow the basic minimum health protocol because this strain is the same strain COVID-19. It's just that it's a different variant. At wala pa namang kinalaga o naitakda o naitala na mga scientificong pag-aaral. But kung ito ay mas masama. But for the meantime, just to be conservative, we must continue to follow an effective minimum health protocol set by international agencies like World Health Organization, national agency like DOH, at ang sinabi nila, magsuot tayo ng mask, practice physical distancing, and wash our hands. And these are effective so far. So if it is effective, we continue and we should continue to follow and obey this minimum health protocol. And we will continue to implement it.
Mayor, yung mga manganganak na mommies 12 midnight on January 1, may incentive ba sila?
Kaya ang incentive nila, handa ang ating mga ospital. Pinahanda natin lahat, ang ating mga medical facilities. And thanks to our dedicated medical frontliners for their dedication at yung mga maju-duty na sa panahon na bagong taon ay pinagpapauna ko ng pasasalamat ko sa inyo. Maraming salamat sa inyo at sa inyong pamilya, sa inyong sakripisyo.
Any upcoming New Year activities na lang po for you?
We will try to celebrate New Year in a modest and a different way para salubungin ang bagong taon. At ito'y magaganap dito sa Luzon.
Thank you, Mayor.
Thank you.